Hello everybody, my name is Shay. This is Rustic Goddess Resale, and today it is Monday night. I have something really fun going on Tuesday morning that I have to go to, so I need to get my shipping pulled tonight so I can ship first thing tomorrow morning. So let's go through and see what sold. It was actually quite a busy weekend on Poshmark from what I normally do, but eBay was slow. Okay, so the first item that sold on eBay is this Portland, Oregon, like tourist t-shirt, something that you would get if you visited the city. It sold for $10 plus shipping, so the buyer was around $16 all in. And this was basically free because I got it at a church garage sale like last summer. I've already made profit on that, and this was just in my death pile. This is a Victoria's Secret BioFit bra, and I'm not sure if they make BioFit anymore, but it's a 36 double D, and it sold for $10 plus shipping, so the buyer is again around $16 all in. This is the Habitat clothing shirt that I just recently hauled. Here's the tag. It sold for $28 plus shipping, so the buyer is around $36 all in, I think, and paid $3, so that was a great sale. This is the Catherine's cardigan that I just hauled as well. It is in a size 4X and it sold for $15 plus shipping. So the buyer's around $25 or $26 all in. This is a ladybug garden flag. I picked up a bunch of garden flags last summer or the year before for like, I think I got like 50 of them for 20 bucks or something. So this one sold for $4 plus shipping. So the buyer is around $10 all in, and I'm happy to get it out of my inventory. This is an Olga wireless bra in size large. It's just a plain black one. It sold for $8.50 plus shipping, so I probably paid $1 or less for this. This is another Olga bra that sold for $10 and I think 20 cents. I was running a sale. It is just an unlined underwire bra, and like I think it's like a smaller size, not the best thing to pick up. I'm really being a lot more picky on my bras lately and just getting like unusual sizes. Third Love always does really well and things like that, but slowly but surely getting them out. This is just like a throwaway item. I'm pretty sure I got this for free. This is Mix & Co, just a really tiny bra. Sold for $3 on Poshmark, so I made a whopping 5 cents. You win some, you lose some. These are a pair of can button fly shorts, and I think a size 28. These sold for $15, so I made 12. This was a fun sale. This is a White House Black Market little like tube top with boning, and it's very like Y2K style. I put Y2K in the title. It came in my ThredUp bulk box, so I'm less than $1 in, and it sold for $21 on Poshmark. This is an Under Armour Heat Gear polo shirt. It's just black. Nothing special about it. I got this probably for super cheap, probably at the bins. It sold for $11 on Poshmark. Some Lucky Brand skinny jeans. Yes, skinny jeans. I still sell them, but these are a size 12/31. They sold for $18 on Poshmark. This is a coastal blue tankini, like layered swim top. It sold for $11. This is a really nice Talbot Petites sweater blazer. Now, it didn't have a size tag. I did get this in my ThredUp bulk box, but it sold for $31, I think. It's either 30 or 31, I can't remember, but even without the size tag, I think it was around a large or an extra large based on measurements, but I love ThredUp bulk boxes. Like, a lot of my sales come from ThredUp bulk boxes, so I'm gonna keep ordering them. A much better sale for a change, this Marc Jacobs, the e-shopper tote bag. It is new with tags, sold for $195. Whoop whoop. Finally, some of these bigger items are moving. This is by Just Black Denim. These are like a boutique brand, and I think we sold them at Buckle too, but they have like the side stripe. Again, skinny jeans. These sold for $18. These Fry Black Tall Melissa riding boots sold for $45. These don't sell as well as they used to. They don't sell as high as they used to. I don't think I'm gonna be picking up tall Fry boots anymore unless they're like brand spanking new. I can look up the style and they're selling consistently for a great price, because these have been sitting for like 6 months and I cannot get rid of them. So I'm glad I got the $45 offer, and I will happily ship these out. These Under Armour Cold Gear sweatpants, I think they're a men's, medium or large, sold for $15. These are some Zaya blue cropped capri leggings. They are a size large. and they sold for $14. And the last item on Poshmark to sell is this Horny Toad size small little active dress. Horny Toad, it used to be called Horny Toad, now it's called Toad & Co. So this is definitely an older piece. And I think I got this at a Style Encore 90% off sale, so I've had it for a long time, so I am happy to see that go. It is now 2 days later and I have some more sales to show you. So I sold this LuLaRoe, I know. The kimonos actually sell pretty fast. So this sold for $12 on Poshmark, so I made $7.03. This is a really fun White House Black Market like puff sleeve tie top. It's in a size 8. It sold for $35 plus shipping, so that's kind of unheard of. I priced it a little bit high just because I thought it was special, and it sold, yeah, for a lot higher price than I normally get for White House Black Market. This is a Christopher & Banks like burgundy colored denim jacket. It sold for $12 plus shipping, so the buyer was like $23 all in. These are a pair of Levi's 560s, and I think a size 46 by 30. I'm trying not to pick up, you know, Levi's and Wranglers in these men's styles, but it did sell pretty fast. They got it at the bins. They sold for $15 plus shipping, so the buyer's like $23 all in, I believe. So not a bad sale for the bins. The next thing to sell is this Zara basic button-up that I just hauled, and it sold for $11 plus shipping. A little bit less than I wanted it to go for, but I'm trying to exercise taking that first offer when it's like really not super desirable items. So I got it out the door, made a little bit of profit, and we are on to the next. The last thing to sell is this beautiful The Company Store Aztec like cabin quilt. I'll have a picture of it on the screen. It is absolutely beautiful. I found this at the bins. It's probably like 10 pounds. So I probably paid like $12 to $15 for it, but it sold for $99 plus shipping. So the buyer's like $125 all in. It should only cost me maybe $10 to $15 to ship this through FedEx or UPS. And that is an amazing sale from the bins, and my last blanket out of the last like 3 or 4 totes of blankets to sell. So those all sold super fast. I just hate photographing blankets, so I mean, I probably won't learn. I'll probably pick up more, but this was an amazing sale, and it definitely encourages me to pick up more blankets. It is now Friday, and I am pulling the rest of the sales that have sold here for before the weekend. These are a pair of Lucky Brand like lace up jeans. They have this really cool lace up detail in the front. These are, I think, a size 6 or 8. They sold for $18 plus shipping, full price. I just listed these like a few days ago, Monday maybe, and sell-through wasn't very good. Mine just happened to be the ones that sold, so I'm very happy about that. Then I had a viewer sale. Yay! I'm super excited. So thank you, Stacy. I'm not sure if that's your real name. That is just off of your eBay username, but thank you so much. This Garth Brooks shirt sold for full price at $12 plus shipping. Thank you, thank you. These are a pair of Talbot's 100% linen, like beachy shorts. I got these in a thread-up bulk box, so I'm less than $1 in, and they sold for $12 plus shipping. This is a vintage Land's End swimsuit. I'm pretty sure it's a vintage 12. It sold for, I think, $8 plus shipping. I have had this well over a year, possibly a year and a half since I started my YouTube channel, and it's just now selling, so I hope they love it. I listed this Care Bears cousin actually a few hours ago today, and it sold for $14 plus shipping, I think. I paid $1 for this, and it's a repeat buyer too, so super happy about that. Thank you so much. I'm just figuring out the reason why that one said repeat buyer is because they bought this little Build-A-Bear buddy as well for $4 plus shipping. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I love when I get to ship, because I think when I put both of these together, they'll still be under £1, so I can save on that shipping. This super dry bomber jacket I also just listed. This came out of a thread-up bulk box as well. It is new with a defect. It has some weird spots on the sleeve or something like that. It sold for $18 plus shipping, and happy with the fast sale. These Crocs flip-flops sold for full price at $15 plus shipping, and they are in pretty decent used condition. I paid, I think, $1 to $2 for these, so pretty good flip. I think I've had these listed for maybe a month. Last but not least, on eBay, I did sell these two LuLaRoe t-shirts. They are the Disney print. I am no longer picking up really anything in LuLaRoe except for the kimonos and the maxi dresses, because those still do pretty well for me, but the t-shirts do not do well for me at all, even if they are Disney prints. So yes, these sold for $4 each plus shipping. So the buyer's $18 all in with shipping. Pretty happy with that. This cabbie skirt sold on Poshmark for $13. I got this at the bins. I think it's a size 10. I didn't think it was going to be a very fast sale, but this has been listed maybe a month and a half, and happy with that because I am less than $1 in. I got these Beta brand. They're like men's, not shorts, but not capris. They go like right below the knee. I don't know what these are used for. They're kind of awkward. I wish I wouldn't have picked them up, but I think I paid 50 cents for these, maybe $1. They sold for $10 on Poshmark. This is a BKE vintage long sleeve shirt. This is actually from my husband's closet clean out that I did for him. And they've been listed for a long time. It sold for $3 on a 30% off offer that I sent out on Friday. So I'm making 5 cents, but it's better than it cluttering up our house. So I'm cool with that. This Auden strapless bra, which is sold at Target. It's not really that great of a brand, but I probably got it for free or found it at the bins. Sold for $9, so I make like $6.05. These are Paige jeans. They're like I think they're a flare or a boot cut even. I do not like picking up Paige 7 for All Mankind unless they're dojos. What else? Citizens of Humanity, unless they're like the vintage line. Just all those like, oh, Hudson. I'm not a huge fan of those either. These sold for I think $16 or $18 on Poshmark. I don't know. I only pick these up if they're like $1 or free, and or if they're like a super uber recent style, like still on the website type thing that maybe I can get good money out of, but they just don't do very well for me. Anyway, I think I got this for super cheap. I listed it from my death pile, so I don't really even know what I paid for it. Maybe I paid too much. I don't know. This was a fun sale. This is an Arizona Jeans Company vintage Southwest like blazer jacket thing. It sold for $16 on Poshmark and I got her for free. Editing Shay here. I forgot to do an outro. So these are the things that I sell to make a full-time income as a reseller. So anyway, if you like me, if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.